Good morning. Welcome to my dog sitting house. Dog sitting for 4 days. I need to do my hair, obviously. It's a little out of whack. I have some videos to edit today, as well as some other applications I need to send in today. And then I need to take these guys on a walk. Right? They looked at me. I probably shouldn't have said the word. But yeah, I'm going to finish my coffee, and then I'm going to brush my teeth, get ready, and then take them out, and then welcome back to another vlog with some bad hair. All right, we got Ella and Louie. Louie's the big boy. Doing a little computer work. I have to charge this battery and then also use the SD card to do the computer work and the video editing and stuff. So I'm probably gonna either switch cameras to my Insta360 or I'll just see you in the next frame. I had to change because everything was full and covered of dog hair. So I had to change because that was just like, it was a lot. So, cleaned everything, I'm doing the wash now. But it's just like, there's so much dog hair everywhere. These dogs shed like crazy. Especially because it's summer as well. So they shed extra and they do roll on the ground like that, and dog hair just ends up getting everywhere. So I shut the door to the bathroom to the bedroom because girly pop, there's just too much dog hair everywhere for it to be blowing around, and I can't be sleeping in it. I'm sneezing. So to avoid that, cleaning, laundry, shutting the doors, it has to be a must. Just took them out for another walk. It's just so hot. It is so hot here in Florida. I don't know how people do it in the summer. It's either you stay inside or you stay inside. You just burn going out. I mean, seriously. Right now I'm trying to upload my little video, just strictly talking about watches. That's really it. I want a YouTube channel to just yap. I could probably start about like 15 different YouTube channels, honestly. From my one YouTube channel, I could just make so many different. I could have a podcasting YouTube channel where I just sit and yap. I could have a watch YouTube channel where I just talk about watches. I'm gonna have a camera gear channel where I just talk about camera gear. There's just so many things that I'm interested in, and my main source of this channel is traveling. It's like, what do I do when I'm not traveling, right? I have to keep posting consistently for the YouTube algorithm, and I don't want to do like the cheesy script ChatGPT, like top 10 places to go in the world. Like, I just don't want to do that. Like, that's just like a waste of your time, my time, and just like, I don't want to do that. So I come up with stuff that I'm interested in, and all the time being, this is what you guys get. I don't know if that's anything good, but it's there for sure. Louie, why you look so scared? Louie, it's just a camera. Oh, okay. Bye, Louie. Ella. She's out. Hi. Just been chilling, doing the laundry, and I've been editing. Well, not really editing, but looking for apartments in Philly. I should be doing editing now. I have another video to edit, so I'm probably gonna go edit that. But this camera takes a really long time to like stop, save the video file, and then like recuperate, ready for me to record another video file. I need to like research more on this camera because it's just not. Go puppy, go pups, puppers. just filmed a video for my Patreon page. Talking about some life stuff, some personal stuff. I talk about all the personal stuff on my Patreon page, so if you want to go check it out, there's a link down in the description below. Go check it out. This is a podcast that I think I'm gonna start on my Patreon page. It's called Real Talk. And I have fun talking and saying things that I'm thinking about, and this one was about where I'm trying to move to. If you guys want to go see that episode, go click down the link below on my Patreon page and go have some fun with me. Like a half hour trying to film it, and now I'm editing it. So yeah, go check it out. It's quite a lot of fun, I will say. I think it's worth just hearing what I have to say, because being in your 20s, trying to figure out all this stuff, there's so many things that I feel like so many people can relate on. So go check it out. I just unleash all of the things that I'm thinking, and it might be a little too much. Some dinner, and then I'm about to go take the dogs out for their little dinner walkabouts. I am heading back to the apartment because I have forgotten some important things. So I'm going to be heading back to the apartment for a jiffy to get some stuff, and heading back here to let the doggos out before I go to bed. So just gonna leave our stuff here and then hop in the car and then, start heading. Okay. Yeah, yes, exactly.
Have a good weekend.
You too. We're at the old Trader Joe's. Okay, back at the apartment. Y'all already know I went to Trader Joe's. Y'all already know what I got. You know I got them donuts. And then a slab of tofu. That's the only thing to get at Trader Joe's is donuts and tofu. Okay, we got the goodies all packed in tightly. Go back and chill with the doggos. I swear dog sitting is like the easiest money I think I make. I just have to pick up dog poop and that's it. Which, I mean, some people don't like that aspect, which I can understand why. But for the most part, you get to like stay overnight in someone's house for free. Use their amenities, and it's all good. I don't know, maybe it's just me.